How to remove ads in PickU. Tired of those pop-up ads interrupting your edits in PickU? Let's remove them for good with just a few easy steps. Open the PickU app. From the home screen, tap the crown icon at top right corner. On the PickU Pro screen, you will see what included with the premium plans: ad-free experience, save photos without watermark, unlock exclusive filter effects and templates, access to all pro tools. Choose a subscription plan. PickU usually offer weekly, yearly and monthly. Tap continue. Tap on the plan that fits your budget. Confirm the purchase. Use your Google Play to complete the subscription. Once done, all ads are gone instantly. If you don't want to subscribe, you can still remove some ads temporarily while watching short video. Just tap the watch ad to unlock option when prompted. That's it. Now you can enjoy PickU with no interruption and full creative flow. If this helped, hit like and don't forget to subscribe for more fast, easy PickU tips. See you in the next one.